Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can integrate Asana with Notion. So what you want to do is pretty easy. Click on the link down below in the description, and when you're going to do it, you will get right here to make.com. And make.com is an amazing company that is going to help you integrate and combine various applications, and one of them is Asana with Notion. So when you're going to sign up with the Gmail, Facebook or GitHub, what you want to do then, you're going to be under team and you want to click on a scenario. And then you want to go to right, create new scenario. Then you want to click plus here and add here Asana. And then let's say watch a new task. So check whenever a new task have been made in Asana. Then you can easily filter it and add filters. Workspace ID, let's say I have here. So you're going to choose the workspace, and you can also have assignee. And you have to choose it. So press OK. And then you're going to press plus here and Notion. So you're going to again click Notion here. And then when you're going to choose it, you're going to like create database item update. So let's say I'm going to create database item. And again, you have to connect your account with Notion here. And then database ID, you're going to search here. And let's say you're going to write the name of your database. And then you're going to have the name here. Let's say task ID. And then you can add tags here. And OK. And voila, this is how you do it. On the bottom, you can easily save it. Then on the bottom left, you can run it once and schedule it how often you want to have it. And now you can also, if you're going to have any questions, you can contact make.com customer support, where you would paste your URL of the scenario that you need help. And they're going to help you with that. So thank you very much guys for watching. And this is pretty much how you can integrate Notion with Asana. Definitely check the other templates under scenario that you can find here. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye guys. See ya.